This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Home Assistant Docker versus Home Assistant OS. We'll explore the fundamental distinctions between these two popular deployment methods, helping you understand their unique installation processes and ongoing management requirements. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which option aligns best with your technical expertise and the specific hardware you plan to use, ensuring you make an informed decision for your smart home journey. Home Assistant OS is a purpose-built operating system designed from the ground up to run Home Assistant efficiently. Its installation is incredibly straightforward, typically involving flashing an image onto a dedicated device like a Raspberry Pi or a small mini PC. This approach provides a completely managed environment, handling both the underlying operating system and Home Assistant updates seamlessly. You also gain access to a wide array of official add-ons, significantly extending your smart home capabilities with very little effort. Running Home Assistant in Docker means deploying it as a container on an existing operating system, such as Ubuntu or Debian. This method provides immense flexibility, enabling you to host multiple applications on the same hardware alongside Home Assistant. You retain complete control over your chosen operating system and its specific configurations. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve, requiring a solid understanding of Docker concepts and command line operations for both initial setup and ongoing maintenance. So, which option is better? Home Assistant OS is perfect for beginners or anyone desiring a simple, appliance-like experience with minimal fuss. If you're an advanced user who values flexibility, wants to run other services on the same hardware, and is comfortable with command line interfaces, then Home Assistant Docker is likely your best bet. Ultimately, your choice depends on your technical comfort and specific needs. Both deliver the powerful Home Assistant platform. They just offer different management styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.